Hey there, welcome to Flourish 360, where wellness meets true wealth. I am glad you're here. This channel was created to help you build a strong body, a clear mind, and a lasting wealth. Because real prosperity isn't just about what's in your wallet, it's about what's within you. Here at Flourish 360, we believe in simplicity, making health and financial growth easy to understand and easier to live out. Every video you'll find here is designed to help you take a small step and practical steps that will create a big, lasting change. Here, you'll discover natural health wellness strategies you can start today, mindset tools to stay motivated and focused, and financial wisdom for long-term stability and freedom, and also an encouragement to keep you flourishing body, mind, and life. If you ever felt overwhelmed by the noise out there, the diets, the trends, the complications, and financial advice, right? Flourish 360 is here to give you a fresh start. We strive it back to what truly matters, living whole, balanced, and a full of hope. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Tap the bell so you'll never miss out on a new video. Join this community right here that is stronger, thinking clearer, and living richer from the inside and out. Because here at Flourish 360, we believe your best life isn't something you chase. No, it's not. It is something you grow into. So guys, my friends, welcome to Flourish 360. Strong body, clear mind, lasting wealth.